This video will cover the Vertiv DSView Solution MP1000 Custom Fields. Custom fields are user-defined metadata tags that you can assign to target devices. You can think of them as flexible labels or notes that help you organize and filter your environment based on your own operational needs. They're especially helpful in large deployments. For example, if you manage hundreds of targets across multiple sites, you can use custom fields to tag each device with a location, rack ID, customer name, or even a maintenance schedule. This makes it easier to search, group, and report on devices without relying solely on system-generated data. To view and configure custom fields, log in to the MP1000 web interface. On the Appliance View page, you should see the default fields listed, such as name, device type, physical port, IP address, and more. On the right-hand side, select the vertical ellipses and then select Table Configuration. When the Table Configuration menu pops up, you'll have the option to configure the columns shown on the Appliance View page. Notice the informational icon next to one of the columns. This indicates a custom field. Below, you'll see the note that states custom fields can be added in the system settings. On the left-hand side, under Administration, select System Settings. From here, select Custom Field Labels. You can view the created custom field labels here, or select the plus sign in the top right to create a new custom field. In the Add Custom Field menu, input the desired display label, and then select Enabled for the status. Once selected, the custom field should now appear in the Appliance View table. To configure the custom fields for each target, select your desired target device. When the right-hand pop-up menu appears, select Custom Fields. Selecting the pencil icon gives you the option to configure the custom fields shown. Once saved, the information should show on the Appliance View page. It can also be filtered out. Custom fields are a simple but powerful way to make the MP1000 work the way you work. Whether you're tracking assets, organizing by customer, or prepping for audits, they give you the flexibility to manage your environment your way.